Sometimes we have a PDF like an invoice, form, or certificate, and we realize we need to add a logo or an image to it. It sounds simple, but many online tools either have file editing limits, add watermarks, or are not secure for important documents. In this video, I'll show you a quick and easy way to add an image or logo to any PDF using a tool that works really well for me. I've tried many online tools, but the one that works best for me is Systweak PDF Editor. If you would like to use the same tool, you can download and install it using the link given in the description. Once you have installed Systweak PDF Editor, go ahead and open it. Click on Open PDF, select the PDF file you want to edit, and click Open. This will load the PDF into the editor. Now click on Edit in the top menu bar. To add an image, click on Add Image, select the image you want to insert, and click Open. Click anywhere on the page where you want to place the image, and it will appear right there. If you want to resize the image, just click and drag from the corners. You can also click on the image again to reposition it anywhere on the page. And that's it. To save the changes, click on the Save icon at the top, and the PDF will be saved to your PC. Click OK when prompted. Let's now open the updated PDF. Here's the image we just added. And that's all there is to it. As you can see, it's really easy to add a logo or image to a PDF without using any complicated online tools or converting files. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to Tweak Library for more useful tutorials. See you in the next one.